We all know Crayola make art supplies, but did you know they also make Easter eggs?
Because I didn't.
That's right, art friends. I got my hands on 2 Crayola eggs for Easter. One for me, one for Steph, and we're going to decorate them because apparently they come with everything that you need to have a good egg time. Now, they do tell you how to decorate them on this one side, and it also says that it comes with the Kinnerton Nut Safe Promise, so you could decorate these in November as well. As I say, it comes with everything you need. It's got the egg, duh, but it also has 2 like icing little tube things to decorate it with. It says step 1, warm up the icing tubes with your hands. Okay. And then step 2, have fun decorating your own egg. Having fun is a required step. So should we get into it and have a look? It's been a minute since we've done like a Crayola thing, so I have high hopes for it. I've never heard of Kinnerton as well.
Yeah, I don't think I've heard of this brand before either. What are we working with?
Ooh, white and green?
Oh, I thought they'd give us like 2 bright colours.
What? That's a choice, isn't it? Oh my god! I was so excited to like colour in his face.
Aha. I thought he had a face on as well.
They took his face!
Is that just there for us to like follow?
To pretend you're getting something better than what you actually are. That's what it's there for. These actually feel ready to go. Basically, do you have any ideas that I can steal? Because I have no idea what to put on this egg.
Well, it's Easter, so I feel like we should stick to the Easter theme.
Jesus?
Maybe.
Oh god, should we swatch them?
Sure. I mean, we normally like to swatch things.
Oh! That's actually very, wow, that's very green. Oh. White's always a risk.
This is giving me a flashback.
Ooh.
I wonder if anyone remembers, because this is from a long time ago,
Okay.
to when we had the channel Snack Date. And
Oh
we
my
had
gosh.
an Easter egg that we decorated.
It doesn't want to come out. Which quite.
I hope we're not going to waste all
It's
the
actually-
nuts and crosses.
You have to just carve it in. Whoa, there we go. This is the saddest looking egg I've ever seen.
Yeah, when you got this isn't quite what I had in mind for it.
We're really running out of icing.
No! Just stop pushing it.
It's because we've run out of icing.
I just realised my egg's got a flared base, so I can stand it up.
Oh, cool.
This is gonna be ugly, okay? If you want to come for like a really nice, like a Fabergé egg, it's no. The egg's all textured and it feels funny.
What are you drawing? Do we have to guess?
Yeah, you do actually. That'd be really cool. You notice that she's not guessing at all because she has no idea what it is. What is that? Oh, I'll give you a clue. It's a baby.
Is it going to be a guinea pig?
Of course it is.
Any excuse he can find, he'll do a guinea pig.
And I could give him a white ear. Hold on.
He's got such a big dewlap. A dewlap is that flap of skin like under the chin. It's essentially a polite way of saying double
A
chin
guinea
for
pig
guinea
double
pigs.
chin. Max got a big one.
I think he's interested in that piece of hair that's poking him. Where are you running off to? The white one seems a bit more reluctant to squeeze out compared to the green. I'm making notes for when I do mine.
Yeah, you need to save this because I'm not doing a very good job. We'll do like his little feet. Oh, well, I tell you what, hey, it's not going to be pretty, but I think this is one of those things where it's more so you're meant to have fun, and this is actually a very fun
That was
thing.
step 2. Can confirm he is performing step 2 right now.
Me following the rules. Oh my god, it is an Easter
Wow.
miracle. Oh, baby, which one?
You know, something I was curious about asking the audience is if getting chocolate eggs for Easter is like a common tradition in the country that you live in.
Oh, in England, oh my god, it goes
super
back
popular.
years. Yeah, it's a really, really long tradition. Yeah, do you guys get them where you are then?
Oh.
Does it look like a guinea pig? I'm scared because can you see it? My hands are so warm. I'm actually starting to melt holes in the egg.
Oh no!
Oh god, look at the back. Look at the.
Oh my gosh! There you go.
What do you mean that doesn't look so bad? What do you so mean? Think of a cute guinea pig name and I'll write it above him.
Marvin.
Again, I'm using the green one because the white one, the consistency is just not very good.
I used to love eating just like straight tubes of this icing when I was a
That's
kid.
no. Okay, Marvin's going to be a bit too big, so I might just call him Marv. Is that okay?
Marv. Feel free to tell us at the end who made the best egg.
Oh, well, speaking of, I think it's time you got right here and you did yours. See how good yours is. Hi, art friends. Welcome to the Floor of Reflection. Did you guys know
that our channel is funded through Patreon, and that's the reason why we're able to still make videos to this very day. So if you want to see more videos, subscribe for one, duh. And also consider supporting us on Patreon so we can bring you even more snazzy videos.
Oh, and guys, don't forget to like, hype, and subscribe, because it really helps the channel to grow. Well, hello, if it isn't the artiste of eggs.
Here's my untouched egg, which we need to
Yeah, it's
open and touch.
untouched, untainted by my hands. I think it just has one piece of tape and then just paper tabs, but I can help you if you need it, dear. There you go.
So mine is exactly the same.
Is it green and white?
Green and white.
Okay.
And we've got the face on the...
The face of lies.
Wah, wah, wah. Now, inspiration has struck for me.
Really? What are you gonna do?
I was thinking, what's popular with the kids these days?
Roblox.
Labubus.
Oh, you're upset. She loves Labubos.
Labubus are kind of like bunny themed.
Can you tell me what is that the Easter connection?
Yes.
Fine.
An Easter Labubu. But here's the catch. The catch is that I'm not a girl who can afford Labubus. I have a Lafufu, and he's got a very wonky head. So
Oh my
he's
God,
gonna
look at
be
him.
here for inspiration for this video.
He looks so evil. Why are you like that? Oh, you're gonna have him like that. Ooh. He doesn't even sit up. He just wants to die. I'm ready to see some Lafufi, whatever you call it, magic happen.
Lafufi Lafufu. Oh god, this is already going to be so hard. I can
If
tell.
you want to use mine, because I've warmed up mine, and they are the same colours, so if you haven't, as you guys may know, Steph has quite weak wrists, and I don't want her to get strained over an icing
It just
tube.
feels so warm.
There, you might have a better choice. Is that? Oh, there you go. Is that easier? Oh, look at him go! Oh yes.
I could never be like one of those aesthetic bakers that do like cute little icing
Oh, they do all the
projects.
cute like piped icing stuff. Yeah.
I get that now.
Oh, I didn't taste mine. What does it taste like?
I love the taste of just like straight icing. As a kid, I used to get told off because my nanny used to buy it and then I'd just sit and eat like the whole tube.
It's such a little icing gremlin.
Speaking of icing gremlin, he's a little icing gremlin.
Hey, you've got the right colour for him too. Oh god. Oh, is that his face? Oh my god.
Oh my god.
He kind of looks like a demonic Pac-Man.
The girlies love to hear.
Yeah, use my ones as well. Yeah, all of mine have been warmed up. Just bear in mind that the white one isn't as good. It's a bit more like, I guess, flaky. It's a bit thicker than the green one. Oh, well done though. You did good with that. Oh.
I think I find the white one easier.
Oh, well done. You're doing it really. I might have to go back and like touch up mine off the video. This is looking too good.
Easter fangs.
Marv's looking a bit plain. You're doing a really good job with this. I'm like so impressed. Be honest with me. Have you done this before?
I used to decorate cakes with my nana when I was a kid.
Oh, okay. I was going to say, because you seem to be quite the natural at this.
I think I'm a natural.
Mm-hmm. Because it does, that looks like a Labubu face.
It's a Lafufu, so he's allowed to look a bit funky.
I am bootlegging in pain. No, you're getting pupils as well. Oh my god.
And it's alright if this comes out all like fuzzy looking because
He's a fuzzy baby. That's amazing.
they're allowed to be.
I genuinely think if you've shown this to someone and not told them what it is, there is a chance that they would actually be able to guess what it is. Oh, I definitely am going to have to touch up mine a bit. Yours looks amazing.
You're not jealous, are you?
I'm not jealous at you. I'm disappointed at me.
Oh, you did a cute guinea pig.
Oh, I want to clean up Marv a little bit. I got some ideas thanks to you.
Is it a Lafufu?
No, I just want mine to look prettier. I'm not dead yet. Oh, you got his ears too. That's it. I'm so impressed with how this is looking. Like, no joke, it looks so good.
Approximately 10 hours later.
All right, so. Oh my god. So here is the Marv egg. Oh jeez, be careful! Oh my god! Oh god! Get away from Marv! So here's my Marv egg. I made a few changes off camera. I wanted to fill in his ear properly and do him in like a little flower field. That's kind of the thing I'm going for there. I got his name at the top. And I feel like, I mean, his face, if you get up close, it's kind of like my face. If you get up too close, it's like, ooh. But from far away, it doesn't look too bad. But can we talk about, oh my word, look at how good this came out. That's a, oh god. That came out so good, hon. I love that. You need to, oh, get away. So, here's a quick look at them both. Who do you think did the best? And I won't get upset if you say Steph, because Steph's done an amazing job, especially on the text. You are an excellent egg artist, dear.
And make sure to check out our Crayola videos, because we have a ton of Crayola videos.
And don't forget to hype, like, and subscribe so we can see you next time for another Doodle Date.